Welcome back to my channel once again. This plant lifestyle. Please, I'm going to teach you a new leaf. I'm just closer to that is the soulmate, so you might hear noise coming from there, but that one shouldn't distract you. Just listen to my audio. There's a soulmate plant processing factory just closer to me, so you'll be hearing some noise. This is where I got this plant. I've been searching for it for long, and then now I have it here. Yes. Please, in my language, this plant is called abakambo, but the English language is found in the description. Please, in my language, it is called abakambo. That is in Ghanaian language, abakambo. But the name of the plant in English is found in the description. Please just go into the description or in the title to find the English name, please. So I'm going to talk about this plant, its spiritual use. This plant is a plant, even when you see the picture, you can see the kind of plant I'm talking about. Yes, when you you plug the leaf, there will be some liquid coming out. That is whitish liquid, as you can see. You see, there's a whitish liquid coming out from when you plug it. Yes, this is how it is. You see, there's a whitish liquid coming out when you plug the leaves. So this leaf is used to take money from people who has borrowed money from us and they don't want to pay. Yes, these people, if they don't want to pay the money, this is what we are going to do. You get the leaf. You see, the leaf, they are made like when they are being grown, they grow in pairs. That is, they grow in pairs. Let me show. I want to show you something. Yes, you see, they grow in pairs. Let's move out and see something. They grow in pairs. Okay. You see, they grow in pairs. They grow in pairs. So when we are about, yes, I'm closer to the wood processing factory. So please, the noise, just cope with it. You see, they grow in pairs. So this is how we are going to use to take money from people who have borrowed money from you that they don't want to pay. When you get this leaf, you are going to write the name of the person who owns you in, like, on the front surface of the leaf. Once you are done, please plug the leaves that are joined together at a point. Don't plug one from this area and then move to you plug one from here and then you move to the other area to plug another one. No, when you plug the left, plug the right one at the same time. Write the names or the name of the person who owns you in or on the surface, on the front surface of the. That's what I'm saying. Where I am at a place, a factory place, so the noise is too much, but just cope with it. So this leaf, you plug this one, you plug that one, and then you write the name, and then you join them together like this. Once you join them together, you're just going to fold them. The person who owns you, you are going to fold them like this. Once you fold the leaves like this, you are going to put it in a heat source or a coal pot or what. It can even be in boiling water or what. Anything that is producing heat. You are going to pray that the person who owns you, who has the capability or the capacity to pay, but the person is not paying, you just want the person to pay your money, and then trust me, this is going to make the person uncomfortable if you have not paid your money, and he's going to get dreams upon dreams about the uncomfortableness of his that is the situation is because he's not paying the money, or the needs to pay the money to be comfortable. Yes, so this is a simple spell but powerful. Yes, subscribe to the channel. I have a lot to teach on this channel. There are a lot to be taught on this channel. So you have a long way to go. Nature is powerful. Nature is very great. Nature has a lot of things to give us, because the Bible even says that you should use the leaves to what? Heal ourselves. And if someone is owing you and someone is not trying to pay the money, it's a kind of sickness. So we have to spiritually overcome that kind of things. And again, if someone has promised you and then he's not paying the money, and then you see that the capability of the person is enough to fulfill his or her promise, but the person is not fulfilling, you go to this plant the same time, you just pluck 2 leaves at the same point, and then you write their names on. For this time, you are going to, no, for this one, for the promise and fail, you are going to use white paper. You are going to write the name on the white paper and put it in between these 2 leaves, and then you fold it. Once you fold it like this, you fold it round like this, and then you use thread. Yes, that is black thread, to tie it, and then pray on it that the person who has promised you and has the capability, or in his capacity he can pay, but he's not paying you or he's not fulfilling the promise, should come back and pay you. And trust me, you are going to receive your promise after you've done this. Yes, after you've done this. Let's subscribe to the channel, Plant Lifestyles. I have a lot to teach. There are a lot to be taught on this channel. Just follow the channel. Whenever I upload a new video, just have a look at it. And then, yes, this plant is a creeping plant. This is the stem of the plant, is a creeping plant, and it is very common in areas like where let me say, like a refuse dump, a portion where it looks like refuse dumps. As you can see, this place is not all that clean. I'm just closer to a urinal, and then you see, so something like where that place is very fruity. You see, that is the refuse post where Zoom Lion, or that is the refuse. So it's mostly closer to the refuse, where refuse dump is, or where it is not clean. That place is not clear. As you can see, a urinal, it is growing at where the urinal pot is. So this is how this plant is being found. It is easy to find it at these areas. Subscribe to the channel and see you in the next video.
Bible quote to support Plant Lifestyles channel. Ezekiel chapter 47 verse 12. ESV. And on the banks, on both sides of the river, there will grow all kinds of trees for food. Their leaves will not wither, nor their fruit fails, but they will bear fresh fruit every month, because the water for them flows from the sanctuary. Their fruit will be for food, and their leaves for healing. Revelation chapter 22 verses 1 to 2. ESV. Then the angel showed me the river of the water of life, bright as crystal, flowing from the throne of God and of the Lamb through the middle of the street of the city. Also, on either side of the river, the tree of life with its 12 kinds of fruit, yielding its fruit each month. The leaves of the tree were for the healing of the nations.